Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Shweta Verma Official. I hope you all are safe and healthy. Are you looking for the most versatile women clothing? Well, there is nothing better than an ethnic skirt जिसको आप traditional and contemporary दोनों तरीके से पहन सकते हैं. So in this video, I'll be styling my one ethnic skirt differently with some innovative and unique ideas to wear it. So I have this beautiful green skirt and which has a booty work all over it and I'm gonna style this skirt in this video. ये मेरी मदर इन लॉ की साड़ी थी जिसको मैंने एक स्कर्ट में कन्वर्ट कराया था and इसको मैं डिफरेंट तरीके से स्टाइल करने वाली हूँ. So you just have to wait and watch. So सबसे पहले मैंने स्कर्ट को स्टाइल किया है with this neon pink blouse. एंड सेम कॉम्बिनेशन को मैंने 3 अलग तरीके के दुपट्टे के साथ टीम अप किया है. And here I'm wearing plain net dupatta with a heavy border. And I'm wearing this dupatta as a shrug and this looks absolutely stunning. And here I have tried a Jaipuri hot pink dupatta and wearing it as a sari, and this is like a rarest combination and a beautiful pair at the same time. Now here you can see तीनों ही लुक बहुत डिफरेंट है एक दूसरे से और इसमें सिर्फ हमने दुपट्टे के कलर को चेंज किया है एंड यू कैन सी द डिफरेंस. सो यू जस्ट हैव टू बी क्रिएटिव एंड थिंक आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स एंड कीप सरप्राइजिंग योर ऑडियंस. My next look is very effortless thing as I have paired it up with a shirt. This look is highly popular among the working women and if you have noticed ये Bollywood divas के बीच भी काफ़ी popular है. To add a little bit masala, here I'm pairing it up with a heavy neck piece which completely adds a complement to the entire look. This combination is really good and amazing and you would fall in love with its vibes. Now I am pairing it up with an ethnic kurti. I have this black kurti with the golden embroidery on the neck area and the sleeves. Wearing this kurti and skirt, making sure that it creates an unbeatable look that I can pull during festivals and family get-together. And I love these kind of simple and sober looks. The swirls and twirls enhance its feminine charm, making it all the way more adorable amongst fashion divas. Just complete the look with the statement earrings and the matching dupatta. नाउ द नेक्स्ट लुक इज़ वेरी क्रिएटिव. इसमें मैंने स्कर्ट को एज ए अनारकली पहना है. सो ब्लाउज़ के नीचे मैंने इसे टक इन किया है एंड इट इज़ लुकिंग लाइक एन अनारकली ड्रेस. To enhance the look, choose a lavish and embroidered दुपट्टा. सो ये वाला गोल्डन दुपट्टा जो है मैं बार बार यूज़ कर रही हूँ बिकॉज ये मेरे ऑलमोस्ट एवरी आउटफिट के साथ जा रहा है एंड इट्स अ मल्टीपर्पज़ दुपट्टा टू मी. I'm also wearing these red beautiful earrings with the outfit and green and red का जो combination है is a very old and tested combination of colors which can never go wrong. Last and of course not the least, and this look is my most favorite look and is the most unique look in this entire lookbook. In this look, I have paired it up with this black sequins jacket with a spaghetti top under it. This can also work as the western attire. This is completely a glamorous look that would be appreciated by everyone. This contemporary fusion look are the talk of the town. Spot it with delight. You can create this look by using a blazer or jacket like this. Design it your way. And you would be able to assure a glamorous look for you that would be a hot topic for the entire season. Guys, I really hope you like the video. Tell us in the comment section आपको कौन सा look ज़्यादा पसंद आया, and if you have any suggestions or feedback to share, please do it right now. Also, share it with your loved ones, and I'll see you soon with more fun videos. Till then, take care.